Everybody can stand up. Awesome. And you know, everybody is kind of in the right height order. Can we line up from shortest to tallest, all in like a direct line facing me? That'd be fun, wouldn't it? Just like that, as a matter of fact. And then come this way, 2 more steps. One more. Perfect. Now everybody line up right there. Oh, that's nice. So compliant. Everybody's, hello. Ready, 1, 2, 3. Awesome. Now, I think what we should do next is everybody should look up at the big brother. Ready, 1, 2, Olivia. Up. It's all right, it's all right. Here we go, she'll look up. Actually, even if she doesn't, that's cool. TJ, you can drop your hands. Cool. And then I want you to just kind of put turn your right foot out a little bit. Relax, relax. Yeah, there you go, good. It's great. Olivia! Hello, hello, oh, hello everybody. Hello? Hi! Yes! That's good. Hands down. Yes, oh, so good. All right, we're gonna do some with this cheat day now. She is. So the girls can come this way. Perfect. And Elliot, we're gonna shift over. TJ, I want you just to lean up against that tree. That's good right there, Elliot. And I want you to do it right here. What I want to do is shoot right through these leaves. Yeah, right there like that. And I want you to put your back leg up against it. Just like that, perfect. Now I want you to put your hands, can you put it on your right knee? Yeah, like that, that's great. I'm gonna zoom in a little bit. Let's check how everything looks here. That's cool. It's very cool. I just need to bring this down a whole bunch because we're a bit closer and you're a bit more in the shade. Yeah, there it is. So just relax. Yeah, cool. I'm gonna wait for a second for that car to get out of the way. There we go. Now look at your mom. There you go. Cool. That's great. And now what I want you to do is just to look out that way. Great. Perfect. Chris, father, son.